Alright guys, this is Carbon Bills with your boy Luke Rules. We about to get back on this BRZ build. Today, I'm gonna bring out the other three wheels that I have to replace these gold wheels. If any of you guys want these gold wheels, just let me know. Leave a comment at the bottom, and then we can link up and we can talk about the price, or maybe I'll just give them up, honestly, because I only have three. Really, I got the fourth one, but it's damaged, way too damaged for you to even really want. Anywho, this is it, the BRZ. I'm gonna go ahead and get the jack stands, take these wheels off, roll out my blue wheels, my new wheels. You're gonna see them. They're not really new, honestly, but stay tuned. Two to go. Did it? Let me go ahead and drop it so how everything looks. Put the fitment. I feel like the gold wheels were No, 225. Well, yeah, they're a lot thicker, not bigger. 225, which means the car most likely rode a little, I wouldn't say higher for the weight. No, honestly, I think it probably was the same height. The only difference was the thickness of the tire, you know? Because these are 215s, those are 225s. They're a little bit taller. But anyway, guys, we'll get back to the next thing I'm gonna do. If I do it today, well, you guys just seen me change my tires to these. Tell me how you like them. Like, comment, subscribe my channel, Carbon Bills, Lou Huru. I'll get back to you when I can. Peace.